This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by equipping night vision goggles. Place them in your primary or secondary slot so you can toggle quickly. Next, attach an IR laser or IR flashlight if your weapon supports one, because the IR source helps you aim without ruining NVG contrast. Join a nighttime match or select a dark map to practice immediately. Once done, find a convenient key to toggle NVG. This avoids fumbling under fire and makes your first attempts consistent and repeatable. You now focus on movement and aiming. Move deliberately. Walking or crouch walking preserves NVG gain and keeps enemy silhouettes visible. When engaging, fire in short controlled bursts. Continuous recoil degrades your ability to track under NVG. Use the IR laser to acquire and center targets quickly because it shows up as a faint point through goggles. Finally, take positions on slightly elevated ground or against darker backgrounds to maximize contrast so enemies appear as clean silhouettes, making hits easier. Finish by fine-tuning NVG settings. Reduce brightness or gain to prevent blooming of lights and avoid washed-out visuals. This increases contrast and target clarity. Make sure HUD glare and post-processing are off, because bloom layers can mask silhouettes. If you experience flicker or complete blackout, rebind the NVG toggle to a different key and test. If that fails, disable shader effects or restart the game to clear temporary rendering glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: try both lower and higher gain to find the sweet spot for each map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.